Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you Daily Life Through History, one of the library's recommended databases for history. It does a great job of helping you understand what life was like during particular time periods, and it contains a lot of primary sources. To get to the database, start from the library homepage. Then go to Research Tools on the left side of the page, and then Research Guides. You're going to find the History Guide, and select that. Now, this guide has a lot of resources that can assist with research for history assignments. For now, we're going to find Daily Life Through History and click on it. Now, there are two different ways that you can use this collection. If you're looking for a general time period, you can use the Browse Topics tool on the left. Find the category that your time period falls under, and then select the arrow to the right of it. Then find the specific area that you need. From here, you can find entries that pertain to different components of the time period, such as family, economic life, and sports and entertainment. You can also use the reference library at the bottom of the page to find primary sources like photos and illustrations or documents. You can print, email, save, or cite any of these entries. If you click Cite, just find the format that you need for your particular assignment. Now, the other way you can use this collection is to search for a specific keyword in the search bar at the top right of the page. So you enter your search terms and select Search, and you'll see a list of results. You can open any of those just by clicking on the title. You can use the toolbar on the left to filter your results. So for example, if you only wanted primary sources, you can select all the check boxes under Media and Documents and then select Filter. And again, you can utilize the Print, Email, Save, and Cite button on any of these. Okay, so good luck with your searching, and remember to reach out to the library if you have any questions.